Facebook follower settings update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually figure out the Facebook following settings update, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change a few settings of your follower settings on Facebook, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch your Facebook application here. And once you launch your Facebook app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to tap the three lines option from the top right. Then just make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side again. Once you tap the three lines and the gear icon from the top right hand side, what you want to do is scroll down over here. You'll be able to find the option called followers and public content. Make sure to tap on it, and right over here you'll be able to see all of your follower settings, such as who can follow you, public or friends, who can see your followers on timeline, public, who can see the pages, people and the list you follow, you can set that, public post comments, and you can see public post notifications, public profile info, and so on. And you should be able to customize the settings manually. So these are the Facebook follower settings update. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.